On the last weekend of March 2019, the Chair of Corporate Social Responsibility joined forces with Social Entrepreneurship Baden-Württemberg to organize the second Digital Changemakers Summit on the topic of sustainable food. The first day of the summit started off with a welcome by the organizers and Dr. Josef Zimmermann from our sponsor, the Verein der Freunde der Universität Mannheim. After that, inspiring keynote speakers sparked intensive discussions with the audience. We were happy to host Eva Maria Endres from the Sustainable Food Academy, Yvonne Löwenstein from SHARE, Professor Dr. Wolfgang Maas, Director of the German Research Center for Artificial Intelligence, Talke Szafranek and Dr. Nina Challand from BASF, as well as Alfred Jansen from IGLU. The day ended with a healthy and, of course, vegan and locally sourced dinner together with all speakers and participants. On the second day of the event, the Hackathon Day, Mannheim students worked together in groups to develop concepts for digital solutions to social and environmental problems. And the best two ideas received an award. Now, if you also want to become a digital changemaker, save the date for our next summit on October 18th and 19th on the topic of sustainable cities. The event is open to Mannheim students from all faculties, subjects and education levels. Stay updated via Facebook and our website.